Well, the blizzard's still coming. All my sawdust is gone. It's now 7:46. We got 2 inches of snow so far. Checking on my generator because that's the only spot that's not really moving or slopish. So yeah, we got 2 inches of snow so far. And it's still falling, guys. So who knows, maybe we will get this 40 inches of snow. Sorry about the zoom. Apparently, snowflakes are screwing it up. Anyways, guys, sorry about the blurriness, but yeah, 2 inches of snow. Love y'all. Have a good night. Stay safe, stay warm.